Yeah. I don't know anything. Please, but I have a lawyer. If you talk to a lawyer, then we can't help you. That's fine. I don't know anything. Now, please have a lawyer.
I like them shows where guys, even when they're innocent, you don't have anything to say? Yep, lawyer.
Yeah.
Well, what about this? Lawyer. Do you know anything about that? White guy was like, lawyer.
We had a whole set now. They're claiming that no more than 22, 23. They robbed the local Richmond County bank. They got out of the bank, they got all of the money, ran down the street in front of the A&P, got in their car, and the car was stopped. And instead of like getting out and running, the police caught them because they couldn't start the car. And people were like pointing, when they went that way, they went that way. We're making some serious money selling those flags and stuff.
Yeah.
And the scarves.
Probably a good markup, too.
Yeah.
Low WIA. That's what they say.
Yeah.
Hey, hey, hey.
Yeah, yeah. Somebody got
You smoke cigars?
fake smoking cigars. I'll get one when everybody's smoking one. But it's good.
Yeah, I know, guys. I haven't.
I'm gonna have one a year.
I was thinking about trying.
I might do one a year. Like my nieces were down, get some cigars and cognac and stuff. It was nice.